Assalamu alaikum members, how are you? Okay, so in this video I will show you that how to claim GitHub Student Developer Pack free without any educational mail or any other documents. Okay, first let me show you all of the offers, all of the benefits you get in this pack. You get domains, DigitalOcean, $200 credits, another domain, GitHub Copilot, Microsoft Azure, Notion, etc. etc. You can check all the benefits here. Okay, check. All you have to do is log in your GitHub account. Your GitHub account must be 3 days old. Okay, 3 or more days old. Don't use a recently created account. Okay, first you have to do is go to your setting, go to billing and license, and click here payment information. Okay, I already set it here. Okay, you all you have to do is set a full name and set a Pakistani billing address. Okay, I have already put all of the details here. If you don't know where to get Pakistani address, go to my website, Dummy Labs, click address, search for Pakistan, and here you get all of the Pakistani address. You can put your all of the informations here. Okay, set a full name just like here Bashir and Ehsan, first name and last name. Now copy this name, go to your profile and put same name here. Okay, I already saved the name. Now third you have to do is go to your settings, password and authentication. Okay, and to FA settings, click authenticator app and click setup key and copy this. Okay, now go to my dummy labs website and click this one TOTP, put your setup key, copy and paste here and save. Copy your setup key in a safe place. It will be needed next time when you log in your GitHub account. Okay, now your account is ready to verify. Next you have to do is open my Telegram and start this board. I will share my Telegram link in comment box or in description box. Okay, start this board and click start verification. It will ask for your GitHub username or email. Give it your email, your password. Now it will ask for OTP code. Go to Dummy Labs and copy this OTP code. Okay, paste it. Mm, okay, your account was logged successful by bot. It will take up to 5 minutes to verify your account. Okay, wait here for almost 5 minutes. Okay, you can check here within 226 seconds my application and my GitHub Student Developer Pack was approved. Okay, go to browser and click for sign up. My internet is slow. You can check here that your academic status has been approved by GitHub. Okay, all you have to do is wait for 72 hours or 3 days to unlock your all the benefits. Okay, go back, sign in, skip the questions, and you can check your request was approved. Within 3 days, you will get an email that your application was approved. You can enjoy all the benefits. Okay, so it was the whole method on how. So it was the whole method on how to claim GitHub Student Developer Pack, recorded by SN Labs. Okay, Allah Hafiz.